How to fix front audio port not working on Windows. What's up everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how you can fix if your front audio port is not working on your Windows. So the first thing that you want to do is right click on this PC. From here click on show more option and then head over to manage. This will open up your computer management, and on the left side of the screen you can see different tools. You just want to head over to your device manager. And once your device manager is open, what you want to do is just head over to the speaker section. So click on sound, video, and game controllers. And from here, you can click on this Realtek R audio, right click on it, and click on update driver. You can search automatically for your driver, or you can search for PC. And if it says the best driver for your device are already installed, that means it's up to date. But if it gives a suggestion for your update, then you might want to update your device. Now after this, what you want to do is head over to your search bar and search for Realtek Audio Console. So just search for Realtek Audio Console, and now you just have to wait for this to load. Mine is not working right now. I don't know what happened, but you basically want to head over to the settings that will be shown right here at the bottom left corner and turn off the option that says disable front panel jack detection. So just turn it off and then give your PC a quick restart. Then you should be good to go. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. I will catch you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.